Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. Especially in this tutorial, we are going to learn extrude with material removal, round tool, and creating rib by using profile rib. First, always draw material addition features first. First I am going to draw this base plate of length 66 mm and thickness of 12 mm and I am going to extrude 42 mm. Let's get started. Go to Creo Parametric, New, Solid, Part Modeling, give some file name and untick Use Default Template, click OK. Now our dimension are in mm, so I am choosing mm solid absolute, click OK. This is the default view of Creo Parametric. Now go to the model. Now I am going to draw this base plate of 66 mm length, 12 mm thickness. For that, go to, I am taking as a top plane, go to sketch view. First draw the center line, vertical line, horizontal line, press the roller to confirm. Now go to rectangle with corner points, click here. Now it shows symmetric rectangle. Again click, press the roller to confirm. Now this height is 66 mm, enter, and thickness is 12 mm, enter. For fit view, just click this fit view. Now we have created this rectangle of symmetric. Now we just want to extrude this rectangle into the length of 42. This fin surface indicates that now we can generate volume by using this surface. This object is clear one. Now click OK to confirm. Just rotate your object by using your mouse center roller. Now go to extrude. It comes to one side. For that, choose this symmetric extrude. The extrusion length is 42. Change into 42. Press enter. Now just click OK to confirm. Now go to the model. Now we have created this base plate. Then we just want to create this vertical side of length 60 minus 12, the same width, of thickness 12 mm. Go to the model. Here it is there. Take this surface as a reference surface. Go to sketch view. Now we just want to take these two edges as a reference edge. Further go to reference, click here and click here. Just close this window. Now go to rectangle. Just create a rectangle. Press the roller to confirm. Now this height is 60 minus 12. Go to fit screen. This total height is 60. We just want to remove this 12 mm thickness. This distance is 48. Now our geometry is OK. Click OK. Just rotate your object by using a mouse center roller. Go to extrude. It's coming opposite direction. Just change the direction. This extrusion length is 12. Press enter and click OK to confirm. Now we have created this wall plate also. Now we just want to make this rib by using profile rib. For that, we just want to create a sketch. Just select this mid plane. Go to sketch view. First we just want to take a reference. Just close. Go to this one. The height is 42. This is connected with this final edge. For that, go here, select this line, click here and join this endpoint. Now just press the roller to confirm, again press the roller to confirm. Now go to dimension. From this point to this horizontal line, the distance is 42. Now we have created a profile for the profile rib tool. Just click OK to confirm. Now we just want to make this rib. Go this rib tool. There is a hero here. Click this arrow. There is a profile rib option. Just click this one. It will take automatically. Opposite direction we cannot make rib. Just change this direction. Now it shows here. Just provide the thickness of 12. Just press enter. Now it's coming in the both direction. That means symmetric. If you want to make one side, just click this one. It will come one side. Again click this one, it will go other side. We just want to make as a symmetric. For that, just click again, we will get symmetric. Now we have created a profile rib. Just click OK to confirm. Now go to the model. We have created every material addition features. Finally we just want to do material removal features. Here we just want to make a round of radius 21. For that, go the model, select this edge, press the Ctrl and Alt, again select this edge, go to round tool. This radius we just want to specify as a 21. Press enter, just click OK. Now we have created the round for here. Again go to the model. We just want to remove a triangle of 12 into 12. For that, go to object, select the surface as a reference surface, sketch, sketch view. You can check this one, right side views. OK. Now go to reference, take this as edges as reference, then close it. Go to line, equal line, make this one, again close, press the roller to confirm. Now this dimension is 12. Now we have created. Then just click OK. Just rotate your object by using a mouse roller. Now we just want to remove material. Go to extrude, change the direction. Now it has removed the material. This is, you just change into to next. Again just click OK. Now we have created a cut here. The similar cut we just want to create in this corner also. For that we are going to use a tool called mirror tool. Now just select this object as extrude, go to mirror, select this mid plane. Now you can see it has created a mirror here. Just click OK to confirm. Go to this one, standard orientation. Now go to this one, hide all the datum plane and axis. Now go to the model. We have created our object. In this tutorial we have learned many things. First one is extrude, second rib, profile rib, another round, then extrude with material removal. Then finally we have learned mirror. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and if you found any easy method to draw the same component, please comment me. Thank you.